First useful 3D print of the week is can opener. You can use it for soda, beer, whatever you want, and it's multifunction. First of all, you can use it as a keychain. You have a hole. Second, you can use it to lift, right? And the third one is the main one. Just insert it inside and you will open the can easily, right? So maybe it's for your girlfriend, for your mom, for your wife. It may really help you or help your significant other to open a can of soda. Really useful. Now, the second useful print of the week. You have your can of Pepsi and, you need only half of it, for example, right now, and you don't want to waste all bubbles inside. That's why you can print this cap, right? This cap, then you can easily attach on top of your can with Pepsi or any other drink, right? And you can open it and you can close it, right? So it will keep your Pepsi with bubbles for a little bit longer time. Okay, next useful print of the week is a bottle opener, right? And this may be a really useful stuff. Let's quickly do it. So this is a main lever, and this one to hold the lever, and this one is just to hold everything together. Super easy and fun print. Again, I'm using pad G because of, you need this force, and you have a small cap for the opener itself. Let me put it all the way to the proper place. And now the main interesting point. Let's do a test. We have a bottle of Corona. So the idea is that you need to place the opener like that. And when you're going to hit this lever, right, it will hit a cap, right, and we'll open it. Ready, set, go! Woohoo! Actually, it's cool. And here you go, but be careful, my cap flew, I don't know, several meters from my desk, and it may be a little bit dangerous, but also it may be super fun. So, enjoy the print. The next useful stuff for your home, right, and everyone we need from time to time, a door stopper, right? And this is from Pac-Man, right? The nice ghosts from a game. And you can print them in different sizes, a bigger, a smaller. You can leave them, as is, just a simple multicolor print with fuzzy skin around. Or you can do a small enhancement like I did. I use resin, to make the eyes a little bit more shiny, and also on the back side I add this resin to have the small kind of legs, right? But in general you can print them just as simple as that and use around your house. The next useful print of the week, it's a cassette, right? If you remember, what does it mean, a cassette? Like maybe, 30 years ago, we used it to play music, but now we can create a card holder. But let's do a quick assembly first. Here you go. From one side, it's just a really old school cassette, right? And you can print using different colors, different materials. I suggest to print it with pad G just because we have a screw and we have some moving parts, so it will be more stable, you know, and you will be able to use it like more times than if you're going to print it from PLA. I tried both version, and this one looks much better, right? It looks amazing, but it broke like on a, I don't know, third or fourth trying to eject the cards. And this one is much better because it's much stronger and it's even works better for me. So you have these cards inside. You can have them up to, I don't know, maybe 8, and you can just save them, you know, in your desk drawer or something like that, or you can bring it even with you, and if you need to use them, it would be just great. And this is really nice retro useful print of the week. The last print of the week for this video is a nail something, I don't know. You need to check how useful it is. I have no idea, but basically it's for your nails, right? You can put them on this stand and then do whatever you want, but please check with your wife, girlfriend or mom, is it really useful or not? My wife told me that it's useless piece of plastic, which is kind of sad, but looks nice and theoretically may work. I don't know if it's true or not. Please leave a comment under this video with your opinion, or maybe with what your significant other told you about this 3D print. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week in a next 5 useful 3D print of the week.